I didn't expect this from my cherry tree. Look what happened to my cherry tree this year. This tree only does this once a year. From 2 kilograms to 4 kilograms my cherry tree this year. I doubled my cherry harvest. Here's how. This cherry tree just keeps getting better. I planted this cherry tree a few years ago, and honestly, I didn't know what to expect. From day one, I've been feeding it with tomato feed. Nothing fancy, just kept it consistent. The first year it gave me about 2 kilos of cherries, which I was already happy with. But this year, just look at it cherry blossom. It's absolutely covered in blossom, and it looks like I'm going to get around 4 kilos. It only flowers like this for a short time, so you've really got to enjoy it while it lasts. From a small tree to this, totally worth it. Spring's here.